Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to find the dimension of a column rank of a matrix. So initially we have in our previous video, one of our previous videos, we have learned how to find the dimension of a row rank of a matrix. So now we will be learning how to find the column rank of a matrix. So how do we do it first? So we will temporarily transpose the matrix by temporarily turning the columns into rows. And then we will reduce the transpose matrix to row echelon form. And from there we can collect together all the rows with leading entries. And after that, we can count the number of rows with leading entries. And the column rank of the matrix will be the number of rows with leading entries. So let's do an example to understand how we can find the dimension of a column rank of a matrix. So let's say now we are given this matrix 1 2 3 0 minus 1 1 5 0 0 4 4 1. So this is our matrix. So let's do it step by step. So step 1, from here we will transpose the matrix. So it will be written as this 1 2 3 0 minus 1 1 5 0 0 4 4 1. So we turn the columns into rows and etc. So step 1 done. Now step 2. So now this is our row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. So now let's make it to reduce row echelon form, which is step 2. So now you can see here there's row 5, there's in the first column is a 0 non-entry, so we swap row 5 with row 6. So therefore now this is step 2. sorry about that. Step 2 means let's do our swapping. So again, 1 2 3 0 minus 1 1 5 0 4 1 and 0 4. So from here, this is our new row 1. Sorry about that. New row 1, new row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. So now you want to eliminate the entries below 1 in the first column. So from here is minus 3 times row 2 plus 1, and for this one, because it's 1 and 1 is 1, so it's row 1. So this one should be row 1, row 2. Okay, so is 1 plus row 3. And now for this, to eliminate this is minus 5 times of row 1 plus row 4. And now for this, to eliminate number 4 here, so it's minus 4 times of row 1 plus row 5. So from here, again the first row will be consistent 1 2, and for the second row is minus 3 times 1 equals to minus 3 minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0, and for this one minus 3 times 2 equals to minus 6, minus 6 plus 0 equals to minus 6. Now for this one, so it's 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 2 plus 1 will give me 3, and for this minus 5 times 1 equals to minus 5, minus 5 plus 5 equals to 0, and for this minus 5 times 2 equals to minus 10, minus 10 plus 0 equals to minus 10, and for this minus 4 times 1 equals to minus 4, minus 4 plus 4 equals to 0, and this one is minus 4 times 2 equals to minus 8, minus 8 plus 1 equals to minus 7, and this one again is 0 4. So from here, this is our row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6. So now we can eliminate the entries. We can eliminate 3, minus 10, minus 7, and 4. So for this one, from here is, so this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6. So now for to eliminate the 3 in row 3 is half times row 2 plus row 3, and for this, eliminate this one, so it's minus 5/3 times row 2 plus row 4, and to eliminate minus 7 is minus 7/6 times row 2 plus row 5. And for this, to eliminate 4 is 2/3 times row 2 plus row 6. So from here, again, first row will not be disturbed, the second row also. Now for all this, it will go to 0. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this, and then now we simplify it again by dropping. So this one we can divide by minus 6. So therefore, it will be equals to again 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So from here, we can see that, let's do step 3 now. Step 1 is done, step 3 is done. So step 3, identify the leading entries. So we have here, these are the step 3, we identify the rows with leading entries. So you can see these are the leading entries 1 here, so it's the rows are 1, 2, and 0, 1. So now step 4, the number of rows with leading entries is therefore 2. So step 5, the column rank of the matrix can be determined using the number of rows here. So therefore, our dimension of this one, let's say this is our matrix A. So dimension of A or the column rank of the matrix is also the column rank of A is therefore 2. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment and I'll reply to your comment. Thanks so much and have a nice day.